And the friendliest of all was the unicorn. Hey everybody, what's up? It's your girl Amanda, the Buzz Artist, and today we're gonna be painting a super cute unicorn. She's got brightly rainbow colored hair and some beautiful big eyes. So be sure to grab all your supplies and come meet me. I'm gonna show you exactly how to do this. Let's go.
Hello, my loves, and it is once again that time to make some beautiful magic with acrylic paint. I am super stoked about this particular painting. So to tell you the truth, I have been actually looking to do another unicorn painting for quite a bit. The last time I did a unicorn painting, I think, was my second video that I ever did on this channel, and it got such great feedback from all of you guys that I decided, you know what, I'm going to do another one because I don't know, unicorns are so much fun and they're so colorful. So in this tutorial, I actually sketched out a half face of a unicorn, and I decided, you know what, I'm going to make this unicorn have some super flowy, super, like, I don't even know, razzle-dazzle hair. I mean, we're going back to the 80s on this one, you guys, like big hair, big personality, and our unicorn is going to have a big personality. So I experimented a little bit with the color of her face. I at first went with a darker purple that I wasn't really too much into. So I decided, you know, eventually as I kept on painting over and over that I would add more and more white so that I can actually get a more lighter skin tone for our unicorn. And I decided to, you know, start combining different types of colors like blues and purples into the skin so that you can get that nice, cool, iridescent finish, which I'm totally in love with. Now when it comes to the hair, I always say this to everybody, just have fun with hair. Hair is a very flowy kind of medium that you want to think about when you're painting. I like to do a lot of curves when it comes to hair. It makes it look a lot more wild and a lot more natural too. And of course, and I'm kind of alternating with all the colors of the rainbow here. So I initially started with red, but I should have started with the red, orange, yellow, blue, indigo, violet, Roy G. Biv. So trying to get as many colors of the rainbow in there as I could. So I would just advise you just to have fun, play with the colors, and combine as you go. I found that adding white to all the colors helps to create this cool, playful pastel influence at the same time. So here I am, I'm just lightening up that face again of our unicorn so that it can help with the contrast against its rainbow hair. And you also notice our unicorn has these beautiful rainbow locks that are on its front of its forehead. So again, I'm just using the same colors like I was using beforehand to just go ahead and to place those where I would like for them. And again, you don't even have to use the same order of colors that I'm using. I'm just really digging these colors. So our unicorn, I don't even know, should we call her something? Periwinkle. I think I like the name Periwinkle for our unicorn. She's just fierce. She is a colorful horse, and she is just magnificent. I love her so much. And I have to say, I wanted to get the eyes to be like this almost My Little Pony. I don't know if you've for all my 90s kids out there, if you were big fans of the show, the My Little Pony back in the day, not the current one is pretty great too, but the old My Little Ponies had these huge doughy eyes and these super colorful pastel influence of colors, especially their eyes. I loved what they did with their eyes, and so I wanted to give our unicorn big eyelashes. I wanted there to be a va-va-voom about her. So I gave her these big lashes. And the trick for lashes is you want to keep applying over and over again and thickening up where the lash line actually meets the eyeball. You want to keep just adding more and more black to that and thickening it up so you give that illusion that there is a lot more mascara and eyelash in general. So now what I'm doing is I'm separating out the locks of hair with black. And what this helps you do is to just kind of give your eye a break from each of the colors, but also kind of gives it a cool pop art kind of influence. As you guys know from my previous video, I am really starting to explore pop art more and more. I think it's such a fun medium to play with, and it's kind of forgiving too, because I don't really have to pay so much attention to the edges of where both my colors meet. It's kind of fantastic to play with. And not only that, I'm actually adding them in this metallic like shimmer with the white paint on top of the color. I've started to really like doing this technique. I feel like it adds again, a very metallic finish that is very magical and not very realistic, which in the grand scheme of things I was kind of going for. And again, I want to kind of imitate the My Little Pony eyes by adding actual little asterisk stars in her eyes where the pupil meets the iris, as well as a reflection point on the iris itself. So I'm just kind of going in now, alternating between my black and my white, and I'm just going in and adding in my details and just figuring out where I want to start placing things. So I didn't actually start to do my horn of my unicorn until towards the very end, because I wanted to see where all the colors would mishmash together. So now I'm going back in with my black and I'm just accentuating those lines and placing those in there. Oh, she is so fierce. I love her so much.
Congratulations everybody on making your very own unicorn painting. I am so in love with this one and I love the colors. It's just amazing. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, please be sure to give it a like and to subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button so that you can see more fun tutorials, art challenges, and just general art fun stuff from me in the future. Alright everybody, I'll see you all later. And remember, be sure to love yourself and to just have fun with your acrylic paint. Bye!